gates.
Get off the bus!
Keep it up, boys.
Stop.
We don't have
Stand
all
back.
day.
Get out of my face, inmate.
Move your asses inside.
Move it, maggots. Get inside. You're up. Get in there.
There you go. Sign this. That's all I need. Move along.
Get undressed. Close up 49. Took you long enough.
Hey, Leo,
What?
someone wants to talk to you.
Yeah? Who?
I don't know, man. It's over there. That's all I know.
What the hell are these guys up to?
One. Hey! Let me go!
There you are. It's time to play.
What the fuck do you want?
It's not about what I want. It's about what Harvey wants.
That piece of shit better be happy he's on the outside.
He might be on the outside, but he still pays me good, huh? Fact is, he pays me really good to kill you. And I don't really like you. So it's a win-win situation for me. Yeah. Get in there, new fish.
Hey, what the
Yeah!
hell? What are you doing?
Go, Dragonman, kill him! Huh?
Take him down.
You idiot. Come on, motherfucker!
Order! Break it up before I put you all in solitary. Go on!
You better watch your back.
You! Keep moving.
Stay the hell away from me, okay?
Here you go. Come on, I don't got all day.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. Next.
How about you two lovebirds have a chat somewhere else? I want to eat.
Hey, is someone talking? No? I don't hear anyone. Me neither.
Guys, don't fuck with me when I'm hungry, okay?
Oh, we got a tough guy over here.
Sure looks like it.
All right. So what are you gonna do about it, gringo?
How about this?
Oh, hey, man, all right. Shit, man, relax, okay? Go. Fuck, eat.
Crap you're spilling out. How do you know it's crap? We haven't even tasted
Is that it?
Yeah. What do you think this is?
You don't
A
have to
goddamn
taste it.
restaurant?
You know it's crap.
Hey, you, here I come!
Whatever, man.
Huh? Lay down, it's time to die! Here, take this!
I'll kill you!
Come closer! Let me carve you up!
Come on, scumbag!
Come on, come on! Where are you going? Now I got you on the
Fuck you, man! I'm gonna cut
Can't
you!
run, but you can't hide.
Come on!
Come closer!
gotta
Let me
slow you
carve you
down.
up!
You're gonna wish you'd never
Come
been
on, come
born.
on!
Well,
Where
fuck
you
you,
going?
man! I'm gonna cut you!
Now I got... Die!
Hey, grab him! Come here, asshole!
Yeah, come on! Come on, what do you want? Who wants to die first? You? Yeah, come on! Die! Huh? Huh? Come on, first! Come on! What the fuck did you do? Take this! Like this! Damn it!
Shit. I hate those things.
Don't you have worse things to worry about in here?
Just be careful.
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Let's move.
Yeah, sure.
So, what's your plan?
Excuse me?
I know what you're up to.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on now.
Look, I appreciate what you did back there, but you need to back off.
Hey,
What?
I'm sure you have good reasons to bust out of here, but I need to get out of here too.
Yeah? Not my problem.
Just offering my help here.
Hey, you know what? I don't need your help. I can handle myself.
Yeah? Like you did in the infirmary back there?
You trying to be funny?
No, I'm not. Listen, I'm pretty much in on this. Just trying to make you understand that you could really use my help.
Like I said, I can handle myself.
What about Harvey then?
The fuck do you know about Harvey? Who you been talking to?
The walls are thin in here.
Am I supposed to believe that?
Let's just say that you and me have something in common. We both want him dead.
You don't know shit about me, man.
Maybe not. But Harvey killed someone very close to me. With or without you, I'm going after him. But I'm pretty damn sure our chances would be a lot better if we worked together. And you know that. Yeah?
It's my plan, and I decide what goes down. You got that?
Sure. Whatever you say.
I mean it, man. You fuck this up, I'll kill you myself.
Yeah, I get it. So what's your plan?
You'll know soon enough.